Runway has launched workflows. This is a brand new feature with Runway for AI art and video, but it focuses on creating workflows where you can combine different nodes together for text to image, image to video, video to video, all in one place on a large canvas. And the best thing is it doesn't just use Runway tools, you can also use third-party models as well. This is how I created this particular advert video for a product and even was able to change the background and the character location. I'm going to show you how to do it now in Runway Workflows. When you open Workflows for the first time, you have a big empty canvas. There's nothing on there, but this is where the fun begins. On the left-hand side, you'll have a little option for you to add particular nodes. These nodes are the ethos of how this works, and you basically are going to break down the process of how you are going to create something. And it's a really good way to visually see how you're going to create an end result. So first thing always starts with a good prompt, and I'm going to put in a prompt here to create a character. I'm going to use a nano banana from Google to create the character look, and I'm also going to replicate this same process to create a specific product. In this case, it's a shirt with a small design on it. I can then use Nano Banana again in Runway Workflows to combine the two assets together, combine the woman standing next to the window wearing the shirt with the leaf on it, which is super cool. But then I also want to be able to see more of the shirt. So I use Nano Banana again on top of that to reimagine the image a little bit so I get a much more larger shot, more full body shot of the woman. And I want it to look as though she's going to be speaking and looking at the camera, and the shirt is much better displayed. Why Workflows is good is that it shows you the process in a more visual way of what you're actually doing here, especially when you're stacking like Nano Banana over and over and over each other to try and get that result you want. So after that, we want to make this video move, or make a video at all. And so for that, we're going to use the new Google Bear 3.1, where you can use the image to video here. And the great thing about this is that you can actually include dialogue, and the person will walk towards the camera saying some lines to you about the shirt and the product.
Look at this amazing shirt I bought.
The final step here is I'm going to actually use Runway Aleph, which is a video modifying tool in Runway. It's one of my favorites out there right now, one of the best, I think. And you're able to take a video input and change something about it. In this case, I wanted to put the person outside in the street in the sun to create a much different atmosphere here. And you can play around with this to get what you want, and it maintains the motion and also the dialogue. This is just the start when it comes to this canvas node-based kind of work. There are a few different tools out there that also do similar things, but it's good to see that this is a direction that Runway are taking, because it just makes it, for me anyways, so much easier to create a flow, to create something, and also when showing it to people, it's a lot easier to do that as well. So Runway Workflows, a really cool next step. I'm very curious to see how they're going to keep growing this feature.